How to make money on Pinterest. So if you're new to Pinterest, it's important to understand that Pinterest isn't just another social media platform. It's actually a visual search engine where people search basically for ideas or products, tutorials, and also like inspiration. So users often come to Pinterest with the intention of planning purchases or finding solutions, making it an excellent platform for driving traffic and earning income. So whether you are promoting a blog or an affiliate product or digital product or an online store, Pinterest can actually generate consistent traffic for months or even years after you publish a pin. So in this video, I will show you how we can make use of this platform to earn some good money. So let's get started. So the first thing here is creating an account. So go to pinterest.com. So just open up any browser of your choice and then go to the official website, which is pinterest.com, and you'll get to this screen here. So here you have to create an account. So I would recommend you to create a business account because business account gives you access to valuable features like Pinterest analysis, advertising tools, and also performance tracking. And when you create an account, so for example, I will just if you already have an account, you can just click on I already have an account and then log in with your account, or else you can simply click on join Pinterest for free. So I'm just going to go and log in because I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login, and then I can also log in using your Google credentials. So if you already have an account, you can do that, or just click on join for free and you can just join an account, or you can also like use join for open a business account. It's up to you, but when you choose a username, make sure you choose something that's related to your niche. So whatever the topics that you're dealing with or the products you're dealing with, and also upload a professional profile picture or logo just to make your account looks more authentic and professional. So once you have in your account, so once you have created an account or logged into your account, so first thing is, in order to before you post something on your Pinterest, choose the profitable niche. So choose a niche that's much popular on Pinterest. So instead of posting like random content, focus on one niche. So popular niche, I will suggest some popular niches like home decor. So if you go and search for like home decor, you will see a lot of items here. So a lot of people often look for home decor ideas and all those things. So when you search for home decor, you will see quite a lot of ideas which people are after, or even people might be selling like digital products, so they'll be looking for it. And also you have under home decor, you have other sub topics here, which if you are interested, you can also go with the subtopics. Okay, so home decor is one niche, that's a good one. But apart from that, you can also use like fashion, fashion styles, that's also a good topic, or beauty products, and even like recipes, like cooking recipes, that's also a very good one. Cooking recipes, and also like health and fitness, that's also quite popular as well. So these are the general popular niches. So if you're planning to start something, then try to look for the popular niches that so that you can generate more traffic and earn more money and stuff. So try to go for such good decor. So for example, like home decor here, so let's say if I'm going for a home decor, so I'm going to like look for ideas for people who are visiting here. They might be like looking for ideas, and when you post it, so when you click on a link here, it's like on a pin here, so this will take you to the link. So people often like, if you have your website, all you have to do is simply get your website first, because first thing is choosing a clear niche, because that will help Pinterest understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. So once you know your niche and everything, next is uh, go and get your website. So you need a landing page. So for example, see, I opened this one, so this is a product that they are selling. So if I click on this option here, it straightly goes to the Shein website, so which is their selling website, their landing page. It goes there, and then through that they'll be generating sales and stuff. So because it will take me to the purchase page there. So likewise, you can now add your page. So you can simply create your landing page based on what you're posting, or if you're selling a digital product, then wherever you're selling it, so that page. If you have like a blog page, where you post stuff on personal, like your health and fitness or cooking recipes, if you have on your website where you frequently update stuffs, So you need more traffic to your website. So those websites here, so that ones, whatever the website is, just get it. If you don't have, or if you're like trying to like create a website, you can simply use your any like WordPress, which is WordPress is easy and free. You can use WordPress to just create a simple website, or you can use any other like AI tools as well to create a website. So if you need help with the website creations, okay, so just once you have your website, you have your website. So what you have to do is you have to now create a pin. Okay, so you have to create like high quality pins. So your good pin will always include, so to create a pin, all you have to do is go to your profile here. So once I've logged in here, click on the pin interest option here on your top left there. From there, under create content, you'll see there's an option called create pin. Click on create pin. So this is create pin means we are creating a post. Okay, so design a eye-catching like vertical pins. You can use, like, if you need help with like designing photos or something, you can use Canva as well. Canva is pretty good for designing, so you can use that. So drag your photo here, so you can just click on it, drag your photo, give a title. So give a title, tell everyone what is this post is about. So if you're posting something about personal health or like health and fitness, mention it. Okay, and in your description here, like describe what is it about. And I would suggest you to include like keywords, because Pinterest works like a search engine, so keywords are extremely important. So use Pinterest search bar and type your topic. And like earlier when I showed, when you type in like home decor, you will see like Pinterest will automatically suggest popular searches and topics. So use these keywords, like your pin title here, which is here, your pin description, and then link. So here you can link your website. So if you have a landing page or anything more, your personal blog, link it here, add the link here. Okay, and then the title. So what is it about? You can just give a title, and then here tags. So it's just similar to like hashtags and stuff. So you can add those ones here, similar to like where Instagram uses hashtags. You can use something similar like that. You can add some tags related to your post. Add that and everything. And once you're done with that, that's it. Your pin will be created. So just add all those information and you have created a pin. So when people search for like if your pin or your post is related to health and fitness, when people search for health and fitness, your post will pop up on their search results. So when they click on it, they will have access to your website. So in that way you'll get audience to your website. So creating high quality pins is crucial. And apart from that, when we look into like making money, so we're going to use Pinterest to like drive traffic to our website. So when you like when you create a pin, so when you link your website, you can run ads. So that's one way of generating income. So you can like drive traffic to your blog. You go to here, you will see that you can create ads. So when people click on your pin, it will run ads, and when they click on your website, they will run ads. So by running ads, you can make some income. So that's one way of doing it. Or you can sell your digital products. So if you're selling, let's say you are selling products, then you can like post it here. So as I mentioned earlier, so you can like post your stuff here. So whatever you're selling, you can simply post it. And when you post it with your link, so when they click on your link, they will get straight away to your purchase link. In that way, like for example, similar to here, so here someone is selling the mirror, so if I click on it, this will take it to their purchase page here. So you can get more traffic to your website, and you can get more buyers to your website. So that's when you're selling digital products. And apart from that, you can also do affiliate marketing. So you can join any affiliate programs and promote products through Pinterest. So if you have an affiliate link, you can simply create a pin. Same thing, create a pin. So when users click your pin and purchase through your affiliate link, then you earn a commission. So that's one way of earning money as well. So you can simply use Pinterest to like promote your websites or your blogs or your website and everything, and you can use it as a great way to boost your revenue, by especially driving more traffic to your websites via Pinterest. So just creating high quality pins is a key thing here, and please stay consistent, because Pinterest rewards consistent publishing. So stay consistent as well. So making money on Pinterest isn't about like going viral overnight, but it's about creating valuable content that continues bringing visitors over time, which will help you to generate more revenues over the time.